Good morning, dear class. Let's start our GK class. Today we are going to do chapter number 24, that is based on fairy tales. Tales that are the stories that you people are listening, or you are watching these stories on television, and bedtime stories. So this exercise is based on those fairy tales. So let's get started. So this is the first picture. In this picture you can see a woman wearing a black cloak and pointed hat and is flying on a broomstick, and it is believed that this woman has magical powers. And what is this woman called? That is called as witch. In your cartoons, like the cartoon that you people fond of watching, Chota Bheem, in that cartoon this witch character you might have seen. So next comes the photograph of genie. And what is this genie? That is usually locked within a bottle or oil lamp and capable of granting wishes. If you would have seen that cartoon Aladdin, in that cartoon there is one lamp from which one genie appears. Whenever Aladdin is rubbing that, whenever Aladdin is scratching that lamp, and then from that magical lamp a creature comes out that is known as genie, and that genie is granting the wishes to Aladdin or helping Aladdin. So answer for this is genie. Next comes the photograph of a small creature, and what this creature is known as, this creature is known as elf. ELF, elf. So here means elf is a supernatural figure. Supernatural figure means that has magical powers, and this supernatural figure is in a form of human being, in human form, with pointed ears and magical powers. And for that, if you means you can go with the movie The Happy Elf. In that there is a very small creature in the form of a human being and has the magical powers and is helping others. So the name of this photograph for this for sorry the name for this photograph is elf. ELF, elf. Next comes the picture. This picture is of magic wand. WAND, magic wand. So this is usually a rod that is used in casting spells. And again I will means relate it with one of your favorite shows, that is Balveer. In that Balveer there are like paris are there, no, isn't it? Fairies are there, to whom we are called as fairy. So though all those fairies, they have one stick with star on that, so that is the magical wand. So here it is magic wand, and this is used by the fairies for their magical spells, that whatsoever magic they need to do, and by uttering few means things, by uttering something in their mouth, they are just moving that magic wand, and then magic took place. So next is the photograph of, yes, photograph of a fairy, that I told you, fairy in that magic wand only. That fairy, this is an imaginary being of human form, especially a female with magical powers and wings. Like, see, for elf also I have told you that is supernatural figure in human form, but there it has not been mentioned that that is male or female. But for the fairy, they have specially mentioned that in the form of female, especially a female with magical power and wings, and have magical wand in the hand with which can do magic. Next comes the picture of a dragon. So a fire breathing monster, like in most of your cartoons, if I will say for that Aladdin also, you would have seen it in your Balveer also, you would have seen it in your that one cartoon that is Chota Bheem. In all that, you can see, you would have seen, not you can see, but you would have seen this creature, monster creature, that is giving out fire from its mouth. So the name for this picture is dragon. Hope you would have understood this chapter, and you would relate this with your cartoon characters and all. And then please do complete your this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.